Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to hire a car with the Ryanair app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Ryanair app. And here you already see on the bottom car hire. You can tap on it easily, and here you have to select the pickup location. Let's select Amsterdam airport, and here you have to put your pickup date and the drop-off date. I'm selecting 21 and 28, and you can change the hour too if you tap on it. 11 and 1. If you finished, tap on search. And here you will have the car options. And if you like one, you just tap on the view deal. And here on the more extras, if you tap on it, you can add a driver, you can add the child seat or GPS if you would like to. And if you're done, tap on go to book. You can choose between go to book without full insurance or with full insurance. Let's go with full insurance. And here you have to complete your data, your first name, surname, email, phone number, and if you would like to, the flight number. If you tap on book now and add your card, you you can book your car. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.